you've got a scooter or a bike, you need a helmet. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I'm not your daddy, but maybe you should wear a helmet. Keep the old noggin protected. I picked this up. It's by ILM, I think. I feel like that means Industrial Light and Magic, but it doesn't. And it's just a cheap bicycle helmet. I don't know if it meets any certifications, but something between your brain and the road is better than nothing. But it does look pretty cool. It's got this alien-like weave. So it's also open. Let your head vent so you don't get too hot. It's got like this fake carbon fiber shell, kind of hard plastic there. And then inside it has, you know, a styrofoam lining. And it also has kind of this softer padded lining right here. But what's interesting about this is that it is adjustable, as it maybe should be. So you get this little knob here to tighten it down. Now, you can order these in different sizes, which is why I picked this up, because my head is ginormous. I usually have to get like an XXL to have helmets fit me correctly. So you can see here that we've got this band. We also have these straps go around your ear, and then also got this like felt padding, I think it's Velcro, underneath. So when it's underneath your chin, you don't have to worry about it hurting too much, and just kind of your standard plastic buckle. But I'm going to open this up a little bit here because I have a gigantic head and see if we can get this working. Ooh, there we go. I look like the spaceship in Flight of the Navigator. And now, if I just turn this, ooh, I can tighten it down so I get a nice snug fit, even though I have a giant noggin. And looks like I can get it closed. Well, you know, it's not too bad. We'll hold it on. And if I take a fall, it's going to be a lot better for everyone, including the people that have to give me first aid, that I have this sucker on there. Woo! I look like a biker now, baby. Hey, it also comes with this little guard here. I think this is just kind of for cutting wind. Kind of looks like a little BMX thing. I think you can snap it on the front. I don't know that I need that, especially with glasses here. I need kind of space, but pretty cool. I tell you what, this helmet was inexpensive and looks like it'll do the job. Even though I make this thing look good. Hey, if you want to pick this up, super cheap, protection, I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.